Directed by Vandan Sir, BCom MCom B.Ed with Dixin Sir. Since 1988. Mobile number 94294 10150. Email vandansar81@gmail.com. On YouTube channel Vandan Sir for Commerce Student. We have the right formula for your career equation. Element of Account Part 1 Standard 12 Chapter 3 Valuation of Goodwill. Illustration number 1. Determine the value of the goodwill based on 3-year purchase of last 5 years. Average profit from the following information of a partnership firm of Nilesh and Nikunj last 5 years. Profit information is as under. Years and profit. Years 2011-12 profit rupees 2 lakh, 2012-13 profit 2 lakh 10,000, 2013-14 profit 1 lakh 90,000, 2014-15 profit 2 lakh 15,000, and 2015-16 profit is 2 lakh 20,000. Average profit is equal to total profit of given years upon number of years, and goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year. Table of profit. Years 2011-12 profit is given 2 lakh, 2012-13 profit is given 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 13-14 profit is given 1 lakh 90,000, 2014-15 profit is given 2 lakh 15,000, and 2015-16 profit is given 2 lakh 20,000. Total number of the year is 5 and total profit is 10 lakh 35,000. Step B. Average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit of a number of the years. Total profit, find out the 10 lakh 35,000 divided by number of years 5. Then average profit is 2 lakh 7,000. Step number 3. Goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into the purchase year. Average profit, find out 2 lakh 07,000 into purchase year of 3. Then finally answer 6 lakhs 21,000 is our goodwill. Illustration 2. Hasu and Vasu are partner of a firm. They contemplate to change their profit and loss distribution ratio of firm 2:1 to 1:1. Therefore, it is determined for valuation of goodwill from the following information. Determine the value of the firm goodwill as per the agreement of the partnership. The value of goodwill is to be computed at 5-year purchase of the average profit of last 4 years. Last 4 years profit is given. 2012-13 is profit 1 lakh, 2013-14 profit 1 lakh 20,000, 2014-15 profit is given in bracket. When profit is given in the bracket, it means this amount is our loss. 2015-16 the profit of 60,000. Equation of the average profit. Total profit of given years upon number of years. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of the year of purchase. Years 2012-13 profit is 1 lakh, 2013-14 profit is 1,20,000. 2014-15 profit is given in bracket, that means our loss minus 40,000. 2015-16 is profit rupees 60,000. Total profit calculate 1 lakh plus 1,20,000 minus 40,000 plus 60,000, finally 2,40,000. Step B, the average profit. The total profit is 2,40,000 divided by number of years 4. Finally average profit is 60,000. Goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into purchase year. Average profit find out rupees 6 lakhs and purchase year given is 5. Finally goodwill is our 3 lakh. Illustration third. From the following information, find out the weightage average profit. Years 2013-14 profit is 40,000. 2014-15 profit is 50,000. 2015-16 profit is 60,000 and 2016-17 profit is 70,000. Note, when the profit is given in increasing mode, 40, then 50, 50, then 60, 60, then 70, you go to the compulsory find out the average is weightage average method. The table of weightage average method is there. Years, profit, weight and weighted profit. Year, profit, weight and weighted profit. Answer. 2013-14 profit is 40,000. 2014-15 profit is 50,000. 2015-16 profit is 60,000 and 2016-17 profit is 70,000. Weight is not given. We are put on the weight first year, then 1, second year 2, third year 3, fourth year 4. Total weight 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then finally 10. Weighted profit first year, profit 40,000 into 1 weight, then 40,000. Second year profit 50,000 and weight is 2, 50,000 into 2, then 1 lakh. Third year profit 60,000 into weight 3, then 1,80,000. Fourth year profit 70,000 into weight 4, then 2,80,000. Total weightage average profit 40,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1,80,000 plus 2,80,000, finally 6 lakhs. And weighted total 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 plus 4 is equal to 10. Weightage average profit is equal to total weightage profit upon total weight. 6 lakhs divided by 10. Finally 6 lakhs is the answer. Illustration 4. From the following information, compute the value of goodwill of Meena and Badresh firm at 3-year purchase of weightage average profit on the basis of last 5 years. Years 2012-13 profit is 80,000. First year weight is 1, then finally weighted profit 80,000. Second year 2013-14 profit is given 1,20,000. Second year weight is 2, 1,20,000 into 2, then 2,40,000. Year 2014-15 profit is given 1,40,000, is the third year, weight 3, 1,40,000 into 3, then 4,20,000. 2015-16 profit given 1,60,000, it is the number of year of 4, 1,60,000 into 4, then 6,40,000. 2016-17 is the fifth year, profit is 1,70,000, weight is 5, total weight 8,50,000. Weighted profit total 22,30,000 and total weight is 15. Put on the weightage average profit table. Weighted average profit is equal to total weighted profit upon total weight. 22,30,000 divided by 15. Then finally weightage average profit is 1,48,666.6667. Goodwill. Goodwill is weightage average profit into the purchase year. The weightage average profit is 1,48,666.6667 into purchase year 3. Then finally, goodwill is 4,46,000. Illustration 5. Pratibha and Puspa are the partners of a farm. They want to change the profit and loss sharing ratio from 3:2 to 1:1. They decided to determine the valuation of goodwill of the basis of the farm. Profit and other information determined the valuation of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. Asset 1,20,000, liability 4 lakh, accepted rate of return is 10%, actual profit 2014-15 is 1,30,000, 2015-16 1,10,000, 2016-17 is 1,20,000. Then the amount of excess profit is called super profit. On the basis of this super profit, value goodwill is made. Step number 1. Capital employed. Total assets less total external liability is equal to capital employed. Expected rate of return. Step number 2. It is given in the example. Expected profit is equal to capital employed into expected rate of the return upon 100. Step number 4. Average profit is equal to after adjustment. Step 5. Super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. Step 6. Goodwill is equal to super profit into purchase years. Calculation of average profit. First year profit is 1,30,000. Second year profit is 1,10,000 is a decreasing amount. And third year profit is 1,20,000. Finally, average profit is find out normal average method. 1,30,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 1,20,000, total profit 3,60,000 divided by 3. Then 1,20,000 is our average profit. Statements showing competition of goodwill. Step 1. Capital employed. Total assets is given 12 lakh less total liability is given 4 lakh. Then capital employed is 8 lakh. Expected rate of return is 10%. Then finally expected profit is equal to 8 lakh into 10%, then 80,000 our expected profit. Average profit working not number 1, then profit 1,20,000 is our average profit is our 4th step. Step 5. Super profit is equal to average profit less expected profit. Average profit is 1,20,000 minus expected profit is 80,000. 120 minus 80, then 40,000 is our super profit. Goodwill is equal to super profit 40,000 into purchase year 3 is given. Then finally goodwill is 1,20,000. Illustration number 7. From the following information of Manoj and Harish firm, determine the value of goodwill by capitalized average profit method. Profit is given 90,000, 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,30,000 and 1,50,000. Profit is in increasing mode. Compulsory average profit, find out the weightage average profit. Additional information number 1. Asset of business 13,40,000. Liability of business is given 3,40,000. Normal expected rate of business is 10%. Capitalized profit is equal to expected profit upon expected rate of return into 100 or average profit upon expected rate of return.